Anytime now, gates open, they're up and racing. Nash, Royal Duo running by the rail, then joining in is Yellow Prayer. Next in line is Hello, Hello, running alongside Señorita. Let's see, while Fargo is running at the tail of the field past the last 800. Two runners are fighting it out for the lead. Yellow Prayer running on the outside. Nash running by the rail. Royal Duo is racing in third. Hello, Hello, racing in fourth. Señorita, let's see down and Pip and Fargo as they rounded the last 450. Yellow Prayer leading the field by a length, then running by the rail is Nash. Royal Duo remains in third. Hello, Hello, Señorita, let's see, with 200 to go. Yellow Prayer leading the field, followed by Nash. Royal Duo is racing on the outside. Yellow Prayer, Royal Duo, Señorita, let's see, on the outside. With 50 meters to go, Yellow Prayer, and finally, Señorita Alessi. Over Yellow Prayer, Royal Duo, Nash, then comes Fargo, and Hello, Hello comes in last.